Ever wondered if you could actually make money with ChatGPT? No hype, just a laptop sometime and smart prompts. I put ChatGPT to the test as a total beginner and it paid off. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made my first $500 online using ChatGPT step by step. We'll cover finding a profitable niche, crafting prompts that do most of the work, and setting up a Fiverr gig that attracts clients. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a real beginner-friendly strategy anyone can follow. If you want to work smarter, not harder, and build a real income stream, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The first step is deciding what to sell. Don't just offer generic writing gigs you'll get lost in the crowd. The secret? Find a niche with high demand and low competition. I spent time browsing Fiverr and Upwork, searching for writing categories with lots of buyer activity, but fewer sellers. Instead of blog posts, I found email marketing copy for solopreneurs had far less competition. Clients in these niches want someone who understands their specific needs, not just any writer. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to position yourself as one. Start with your interests: fitness, gaming, finance, cooking, and search for writing gigs in those areas. Look for services with lots of orders, but under 1,000 total gigs. That's your sweet spot. Check Fiverr's buyer. Requests for patterns. Specific needs mean real opportunities. Validate your niche. Can ChatGPT create high-quality content for it? If yes, you're set. Avoid highly technical or specialized fields, stick to creative or business tasks. The goal isn't to be the world's top expert overnight, but to help a targeted group with your AI assistant. By niching down, you stand out and make yourself the obvious choice. For my experiment, I chose email marketing copy for solopreneurs and course creators. It's a group that needs help, doesn't have big agency budgets, and ChatGPT excels at this task. Find your niche, validate it, and you've built the foundation for your first paying clients. That's how you get your unfair advantage. With your niche picked, it's time to use ChatGPT to create content that stands out. The secret? Mastering prompts. The better your instructions, the better the output. Don't just say write an email. Give ChatGPT a role, a tone, a length, and a target audience. For example, act as an expert email marketer. Write a 150-word welcome email for a creative productivity newsletter. Make it friendly and witty. This transforms generic output into something tailored and engaging. I built a prompt library templates for welcome emails, newsletters, sales pitches, and more. When an order came in, I'd tweak a template and get a high-quality draft in minutes. But don't just copy-paste. Always edit the output, polish sentences, check for flow, and inject the client's brand voice. Editing is what takes content from good to great. Think of yourself as a director and ChatGPT as your actor. Clear directions get the best performance. Practice by generating sample pieces in your niche. Play with tone, length, and persona. Save your best prompts and keep refining. The more you practice, the better you get at getting exactly what you want from ChatGPT. This skill is your secret weapon for delivering quality work fast. Start building your prompt library now, it'll save you hours later. Your action step: open ChatGPT, try a few prompts in your niche, and start building your arsenal. The more you practice, the more confident and efficient you'll become. That's how you turn AI into your ghostwriter. Now let's set up your Fiverr gig, the storefront for your new business. Your gig title should be clear, specific, and use keywords your clients search for. I will write high-converting email marketing copy for your business beats. I will be your writer. Create a professional gig image in Canva, use your photo, a clear headline, and bullet points on benefits. If you're comfortable, add a short video introducing yourself and your service. Your gig description is your sales page. Use the problem agitate solution formula, state the client's problem. Agitate it, then offer your service as the solution. Set up 3 pricing tiers: basic, 1 email; standard, 3 emails; premium, 5 email sequence. Make your standard package the best value to encourage bigger orders. Add polished sample emails as your portfolio. These are non-negotiable for building trust. Fill out the FAQ with common questions and add relevant search tags like email copy, newsletter, and copywriting. A well-crafted gig builds instant credibility and makes clients confident to order. Take the time to get this right. It's a one-time investment that pays off for months. Your gig is the bridge between your skills and your first paycheck. Don't skip the details clients notice. With a strong gig, you're ready to attract your first clients. Remember, first impressions matter. Your gig is your shop window. Make it shine. set it up once and let it work for you. That's how you turn browsers into buyers. Now let's get those orders rolling in. A client places an order, now it's time to deliver. Read the client's brief carefully. If anything's unclear, ask for clarification right away. Use your prompt library to generate a draft tailored to their needs. Edit the output, make sure it matches their brand voice and goals. Communication is key, keep the client updated and be responsive to questions. Deliver the work with a friendly note, highlighting how you met their requirements. Most clients are happy with the first draft, but be ready to handle revisions quickly. Fast professional revisions build trust and lead to great reviews. After the client approves, thank them and let them know you're available for future projects. This system, clear briefs, efficient AI drafting, careful editing, and great communication sets you apart. It lets you handle multiple orders without stress and consistently earn 5-star ratings. Each happy client is a stepping stone to more work. The process is repeatable: brief, prompt, edit, deliver, review. The more you refine your workflow, the easier it gets. Great reviews build your reputation and attract new clients. Focus on value, speed, and professionalism. That's how you turn one order into a steady stream of income. Deliver quality, get reviews, and watch your freelance business grow. This is how you go from your first order to your first $500. Let's talk about getting paid, the best part. On Fiverr, clients pay upfront and funds are held in escrow until you deliver. Once the client marks the order complete, the money is released to your account after a short clearing period. My first $500 came from a series of small gigs: $25 for a single email, $55 for a sequence, $95 for a premium package. The first order took less than an hour, an effective hourly rate of $25 plus. As I delivered quality work, clients came back for bigger packages. 9 orders later, I hit $500. The key is a repeatable, efficient workflow so you can take on more orders without burning out. Each 5-star review makes it easier to get the next client. Good work leads to good reviews, which leads to more work, a positive feedback loop. The payment process is simple and secure, and the income potential is real. Start small, focus on quality, and let your wins compound. You don't need one big client, just a handful of happy ones. With a solid system, those small wins add up fast. That's how you turn clicks into cash. The process is simple, the opportunity is real. Your first $500 is closer than you think. Want to double your earnings without finding more clients? Offer strategic extras and upsells? Fiverr lets you add gig extras, easy add-ons clients can buy at checkout. For email gigs, I offered 3 extra subject lines for $10 to $15, or a follow-up email for $20. These take minutes to create with ChatGPT and add real value for clients. Bundle services like social media posts to promote the same offer, to position yourself as a marketing partner, not just a writer. Think from the client's perspective. What else helps them get results? Offer plain text versions, pre-header text, or a mini content calendar as extras. These upsells turn a $55 order into $80 or $90 with minimal extra work. The key is adding value, not just more words. Brainstorm 3 to 5 extras you can offer. Use ChatGPT to make them fast and easy. This is how you scale your income without scaling your workload. Work smarter, not harder. Add value, increase your average order, and watch your earnings grow. Don't just sell a service, sell a solution. That's how you build a profitable, scalable freelance business. That's the full strategy from niche research to your first $500. We found a low-competition niche, used ChatGPT to create polished content, set up a pro Fiverr gig, and built a system for quality and reviews. I didn't have a writing degree or fancy tools, just ChatGPT, Fiverr, and some editing skills. This is a practical, proven method anyone can follow. The barrier to earning online has never been lower. You don't need a huge audience or coding skills, just initiative and the right tools. The opportunity is waiting for you. If you got value from this video, drop a like and let me know in the comments, which step will you try first? Subscribe for more actionable videos on building income with AI. This is me, turning screen time into income time. See you in the next one.